Hello, my name is Catherine. I'm from the team techATTACK, and this video is a tutorial on how to make custom parts in Onshape. Before you start making the actual part, you need to make sure you have an Onshape account. So to make an Onshape account, you need to click this button. It says Create a Student Account. When you click it, you should be able to fill out this. And then there'll be another section where you need to fill out other information. And then after you sign up, you should go to a home page almost where you sign in and you have your page. After you make an account, you have to create a document. So you see this blue button over here. You need to click it and then press document and then you get to this new document tab almost, and it should document name. You can call it whatever you want. And so after you name it, you can enter and it should look like something kind of like this. So to be able to make an actual custom part, you need to make sure you have a sketch of what you're going to make. So to do that, you need to go all the way to the top left where it says sketch, where my cursor is kind of circling. After you press that, it tells you need to put it on top of a plane. For now, we can just choose the front plane. After you choose the front plane, to make sure it's directly in front of you, you can see this cube over here and just press the front plane, for example. After you get to this kind of position, you can start making the actual spool, where you go over here where there should be lots of things, and there should be a circle looking thing, and then there should be a drop down where you press center point circle, or also known as, you can also press C on your keyboard. So after you get that, this makes a circle which is from the center. So if you when you go to the origin, it should turn yellow, and then you see this square thingy. That's when you want to click, and you can make a circle. This one can be a bit smaller, but it'll change the dimensions later. So after you make that that first circle, you should stay on the circle making thing, and then go back to the middle where you see the yellow square again. Click and make a bigger circle. After you have those two circles, one smaller in the middle and one bigger surrounding it, that's your main kind of thing. So after you made those two circles, press escape to be out of the circle, center point circle, and then find two arrows that in that line, or also press D for dimension. Basically, this is used to change the length and diameter of things for a circle, for example. So this one can be this first circle can be 20 millimeters, and then you can press that first circle, and then you can go 20, and then you can press the bigger circle, and you can change the diameter of that too, and it could be 90 millimeters. After you have those two circles dimensioned, you can continue on to the next step to make more circles. So go back to the circle tool or press C. You can make a smaller circle, make it a small circle, and go back to that dimension tool and press D for the dimension tool, and then you can dimension this to be, I think, 5 millimeters. Actually, it's a bit small. I think 7 would be fine. Yep. After you did that, to make sure this circle is in the right place, you can dimension it to a certain like where it's supposed to be. So it can be to the middle of this circle and to like the origin. That can be a certain measurement, and that can be like I think 20. So it can be there. And then you can dimension it again to I think you can also go up to the middle of the small circle and the middle of the middle circle, the origin, and that can also be changed to be like um 15, where so it'd be to the origin. I think this one needs to be changed. I think they 15. Yeah, there you go. So it should be like a circle and then a smaller circle, looks like half a face. So after you have that, click escape out of dimension tool, pressing escape, and then press the try to find the Rubik's cube looking thing. Also, if you go on top of it, it should say linear pattern, and press the drop down so you can get a circular pattern. After you press that, you need to press the small circle, the one you just dimensioned correctly. Press it. It should make a linear pattern in a circle of 3. And then you need to double click on the 3 to make it a 4. And it should look like a bunch of circles. Everything should be right because of the dimensioning you did. And after that, you can press enter. Actually, no, you press left click to like enter it almost, to enter it. And it should look something like this. After you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 circles, you need to make more. So get the center point circle or press C again and make another circle. Just another, yeah, whoops. Another circle. This one should be the same diameter as the other small circles. So go back to D, dimension, and then make this also 7 millimeters. Once you have that, you stay on the dimension tool to make sure you have it at the right place. So you can go from this to the origin again to have another measurement, which you can be like 20. Yeah, 20. And also the origin to the middle of this circle to get another measurement, which this is really off. So that is not what I wanted. Uh, actually, I think it'd be better for this one to this one. So that'd be, nope, that's too much. Or like 15. Yeah, something like that. So be, yeah, origin, yeah. So after you got another circle, kind of looks to be in the right place, get off its dimension, pressing escape, and go back to circular pattern. It should have saved from last time you used it. Press that. So yeah, press that. So you can press that to make another linear pattern, and press the circle you also just dimensioned, and it should go back to 3. Instead of 3 this time, instead of 4 this time, you need to go double click the 3 and change it to an 8 and press enter. Got 8. And once it looks all right, you can press the left click button to enter it. It should look something like this. So once it looks pretty all right, you can check green check. You can press the green check mark for sketch 1 to basically enter the sketch, and like you can't really change it anymore. So after you press that, go where you press sketch. There should be a button right next to it where when you hover over it, it should say extrude. and press that to actually like kind of make it actually a 3D crease. So you want to press the sketch. It should like highlight yellow. Don't highlight one of the circles. Highlight like in the empty space where there's no circles. So it should highlight most of the lines into yellow. Press that, and it should kind of extrude out. This piece will I think be 5 millimeters. And once it looks all right, you can basically just press the check mark button, and that's basically it. Congratulations, you have made a spool. That's it. Have fun.